apply the RG7000 cleaning solvent to the entire and extended area, ensuring all contaminants on the belt surface are removed. Allow the solvent to evaporate before continuing with the repair. Prepare the surface using a buffing tool to achieve a rough profile and remove any loose material. Be careful not to buff in one place too long to avoid burning the rubber. Remove any debris from the buffed area. Now, apply RG7000 primer to the prepared surface. Ensure complete coverage of the entire buffed area. Give the primer time to evaporate before continuing with the repair. Apply the primer to the prepared surface before using duct tape to seal the bottom of the hole. Now, we're going to mix RG7000 by combining the hardener to the resin. Stir constantly for approximately 30 seconds. To ensure best adhesions, it should be poured onto the belt immediately after mixing. Slowly feather the edges with a spatula. Feathering the edges will create a smooth transition area to eliminate possible damage caused by belt cleaners. And that's how you do a repair using RG7000. For more tutorials, please check out REMA TIP Top North America's YouTube channel.